Hello, dear students. I am Vasanta Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today I will talk about classification of welding processes, how welding is done. It is classified in different ways depending on the type on which welding is done. So we'll see them one by one. When we'll talk about welding, it is nothing but joining two or more metal together by using additional or gases, all the other process which are mentioned joining the two metal by providing heat, light or additional electrical supply. So one will see one by one all the welding processes. First of all, we have to see arc welding. Some types: carbon arc welding, metal arc welding, metal inert gas welding, tungsten inert gas welding, plasma arc welding, submerged arc welding, and electro slag welding. The first process is welding. Arc welding consists of an arc through which power is being supplied to your welding area. So the arc which can use be consumable, can be non-consumable, can be plasma arc, or it can be inert gas arc, it can be a common arc. So these are a time of arc welding. As a specialty of arc welding is power is applied welding is done by using the power supply and the generation of heat and by using the electricity. Next we have to see gas welding, oxy-acetylene welding, second air acetylene welding, third one oxy-hydrogen welding. Then we'll come to gas welding. Gas welding, the name itself gas is used. Gas can be in the form of oxygen acetylene, oxygen hydrogen. These gases are mixed at proper quantity. These gases are mixed in proper quantity, mixed together, and welding take place when a flame comes. Flame can be oxidizing, reducing, or it can be neutral. Also flames comes. It will the path and the difference between arc and gas. If there are arc is used here, gases are used. Next we have to see type of resistance welding. There are butt welding, spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, precaution welding. Type of welding is resistance welding. In it will see spot welding. Only two terms or two or more terms are used in the welding is done at spots. Welding is done here also you need electrical supply. Then we'll go to projection welding. Projection welding is generally that at a place you have projection. If this is a table, there are small projection at the end, you need to weld the table on the ground. So projection welding can be done but supply heat as well as pressure. This is the main duty of resistance welding. You supply pressure as well as you provide heat, so that the end would be melting and it would get welded to the base metal. So these are some type of resistance welding which need heat as well as pressure. Next we go to the thermite welding. In this, what happens, if I will give you an example of a railway track. If railway track has to be welded, the material is filled in the trainway track by using a T-shaped slat. A T-shaped slatted is there in that material is being put. Melting is done due to firing. Axial firing is done, metal is melted, it's come to your welded part. Then the T-shape is removed, additional material is cut off. Next we go to the solid state welding. First of all, friction welding, second ultrasonic welding, third diffusion welding, and explosive welding. Solid state welding, I gave you basic example of solid state welding is friction welding. Two or more object, I want to talk about more object. Basically, two object can be using friction welding. Two objects are joined, but one is stationary and the other is rotating. One rod is rotating, one rod is stationary, but both are supposed to get joined. If the other rod is moving, it is moving by applying pressure to your stationary rod. It is applying pressure. It is getting stuck with it and welding is done. Also, what happens is a lot of heat is generated because of a rolling action, because of a moving action of your rod as well as your pressure action of your rod which is moving. Then will come to the another example of solid state welding is explosion welding. In explosion welding, what happens is again two layer or used explosive materials or kept on one layer or between the two layer when small stunt or being kept between the two layer welding is done due to explosion action. You use some additional flux or additional explosive material you burn at it. It explodes or and the metal get settled on the ground metal and welding is done. Next, there are some newly introduced welding process. They are ultrasonic welding, deduce ultrasonic gas or ultrasonic beam or light. There is electron beam welding. There is laser welding. They use laser gases or electron beam. Then will come to soldering, brazing and braze welding. These are some aligned welding process. In soldering, you do a certain method of welding will be seeing into detail. In brazing, you use gas or as well as in braze welding give some different methods. These are just classified of kind of welding which are there in a syllabus. In details will go in next lecture videos in related weldings: oxy-acetylene welding, cutting welding, or cutting welding, hot facing welding, brazing welding, soldering welding. These are weldings in related weldings. We go to next lecture videos in detailed. Okay, thank you to all.